guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and wear test on a very new skincare product, and that is the Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that I'm a huge fan of First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream. Like, this is my holy grail. I'm almost done with this tub. Like, I swear by this stuff. It is so good. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be wearing the original and the new mattifying one on each side. I did pick up the new one from Sephora, and let me see how much it cost because I can't really remember exactly. Okay, so it was $32, and then all together with tax and everything it was $33.92. So it isn't like the cheapest product, but it's really good. And if you want to try it, in case you haven't tried out Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty, you can always get like the travel size one, which is like $12 or so. I want to go ahead and apply this. So I'm going to be taking the original, and I'm going to put the original on this side. And what I like about this Ultra Repair Cream is that it is sensitive friendly. It is just a nice consistency that is very hydrating on the skin, especially for like those dry patches. Like, my cheek already feels really hydrated. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the new one, which is supposed to mattify but also hydrate. It's non-comedogenic and it's safe for sensitive skin like the original one, which I can definitely vouch for because I have the original one and I swear by it. So this is an oil-free cream, instantly mattifies, delivers weightless hydration without clogging pores. 97% agree that the product controlled oils all day long and deliver the perfect amount of hydration, which is something that I feel like a lot of people tend to look for. They want something that's going to keep them oil-free but still hydrate the skin. And that's what I need because, yes, I do have oily skin, but I still need this part that's really dry to feel hydrated. Let me go ahead and open this. And this is typically the size that they come in. I just feel like for me this isn't enough. Like, I would go through this way too fast, so that's why I like to get the big tubs. But for this new one, they only have one size, which is this size. Okay, this consistency feels different. This definitely is more so of the consistency that I would see from a mattifying cream moisturizer. It is like that gel-like consistency that a lot of moisturizers that claim to be more so for oily skin tend to have, which is really nice because I like this consistency. I feel like it almost goes into the skin like water. So I'm gonna take what we have going on in the cap. It looks like yogurt a little bit, and I'm gonna begin applying it. It has the same smell as the original, which honestly for me, the scent doesn't really smell like much. It's a very like plain smell to me. So if you like moisturizers that have like scents or that like smell intensely like something, you may not like this one. But Ultra Repair Cream does come also in like other scents. Like, I know they have like a mango scent. I think they have like a papaya scent. They have a few scents. So if you're more of like a scented person, they also offer that. Because I think maybe some people were like, your stuff doesn't really smell like anything. That's one of the reasons why I feel like it works so well with sensitive skin, because it doesn't have a scent. And when you have sensitive skin, you cannot really wear many scents. Okay. Wow. That really did hydrate my skin. Right now, we can't really tell a difference because I feel like with these type of things, you kind of have to go through the day to really see if there's like a lot of oil production on either or side. But what I can say is just first impressions. I love the original, but I'm really liking how this feels. I feel like it hydrated my dry cheek immediately, and I was kind of worried that it was going to dry it out or make it look flaky, just because my cheeks are very dry right now with the rosacea and with this cold weather. But I mean, this just feels so fresh and good. Like, I really like it. Just first impressions, I really like it. So if you're somebody that has tried those oil-free moisturizers that claim to be more so on the matte side, and you recognize like the gel-like consistency, like a jelly-like almost as well, then that's kind of what this feels like. Very different consistency than the original, but I feel like this consistency is really nice. It says here for both, you can either use it daily for AM and PM if you want to, but I do have to give a shout out to the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydro Firm Night Cream. It is so good. For night cream, that's what you need to try out. I'll have it listed down below as well. It is my holy grail for night cream because it is just that good. And the next morning when I wake up, my skin looks so plump and it just feels so hydrated and healthy. So, I mean, I would suggest more so these for the daytime and you will have a really good hydration. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm gonna carry on with the rest of my day. I'm gonna do probably a check-in. Right now it is 10:46 a.m. and I'm gonna do a check-in probably around 3 p.m. just so we can kind of see where this is going. I think we're all really curious about this new First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream in the oil control version, so keep watching. Hey guys, so I am back. I just wanted to come on here. Right now it is 3 p.m. and do a check-in on the moisturizer. So I quickly want to say that this is the side where we are wearing the matte moisturizer and this is the regular. Something that I'm noticing is that there's a little bit of like oil peeking through right here. And I feel like this side looks really nice and oil-free and in place. I'm so happy that I'm wearing these moisturizers without foundation or tinted moisturizer because then I can really see how they do on my bare skin. Because I know a lot of us like probably don't wear makeup if you're watching this review, or maybe you do wear makeup, but still like you kind of want to see how it does alone. And I feel like so far, so good. I obviously like both of them, but I am noticing that this side is picking up a little bit of some shine as opposed to this side over here. And like I mentioned, it is 3 p.m. so it's been quite a few hours. So I'm gonna continue wearing this for maybe 2 more hours and let you guys know how this does, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I am back right now. It is 6:01 p.m. I told you guys that I'd probably be back around 5 p.m. so we went a little bit of an hour extra, and I have to say, here are the results. So right off the bat, I can definitely tell the difference between both sides. In the previous clip that I shared with you guys, I did tell you that I felt like the original First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream was definitely picking up some dew. You can see a little bit more radiance right here. But I still feel like this side looks very nice and perfected. I don't know why, but I also feel like on the side where the original First Aid Beauty cream is on, I feel like, I don't know, my texture is a little bit more enhanced than on the side where we went in with the matte oil-free one. So that's just something to note right there. But I have to say I am impressed with the new First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream in the oil-free version. I feel like there is a difference and I'm hoping you guys can see it because I can definitely see it. I love this consistency. I feel like the consistency is a very nice gel-like creamy consistency that will go a very long way on the skin. And yes, it does keep you oil-free for the day, but it also keeps you very nice and hydrated. So if you're somebody who's maybe scared of it clinging onto certain little dry patches that you may have, or if you're like me who does suffer from rosacea and is having a lot of dryness on the skin, it's not going to dry out those areas. It's going to hydrate them. This entire day, my cheek on this side has just felt so good and so refreshed, and I'm very, very pleased with it. And I'm excited to wear this under like my foundations and stuff, because if I'm able to notice a difference with just my bare skin, then I'll definitely see the difference when I'm wearing like makeup products on top, which is one of the reasons why I did want to do this review with just my bare skin, because I really wanted to see what was going to happen with just the product alone without any foundations, any tinted moisturizers interfering against it. So, final thoughts. Do I think this is worth it? I think that if you're somebody that prefers an oil-free matte consistency finish to the day, you will love this. Moving into summer and spring, like that's the time where my skin tends to get very oily looking when I'm not wearing makeup, and I prefer not to wear as much makeup in the summer because of the fact that it just gets sticky and gross. So if I can find a good moisturizer that's gonna keep everything, especially the oils, to a minimum, this is what I'm going to be geared towards. But let me know your thoughts down below. I love starting a conversation with you guys. Also, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to stick around and become member friendly here on YouTube, because I wouldn't want you guys to miss my videos for the world, because I always got you guys covered with the best reviews. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, because that will make sure that you get a little notification as soon as I upload. I wouldn't want you guys to be the last to watch my latest videos. So that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.